Hi, this is Priyanka, a very ordinary girl, but I can be extraordinary as and when required to be. I'm a software professional, 16 years experience with an insurance domain company called One Shield Software in Gurugram. I have came across this program, that is TLPWE, while I was browsing, on my phone. That I was just looking for some courses for myself when I came across this one, and I think it was one of the most pivotal choices that I made in the recent past. Why? Because I think it had an impact on me, not only professionally but personally as well. It was transformative. It made me more assertive, more confident, and I think my friends generally tell me that it had a paradigm shift in me. My whole personality has changed towards life. I think the way, the approach, how the professors at IIM basically teach you. The emphasis was never on the theoretical concepts. It was more on the case studies. It actually helped me apply it in the actual world. I tried those approaches in my professional career, at personal incidents, and so I think incidents like conflict management, negotiation management, these are certain core values which any professional, any domain you would be in at any step of your career, it would eventually help you. You have to deal with conflict, isn't it? You have to negotiate if you have to rise. So in overall, I think that was the biggest thing, because having studied at various institutes, having said that, I can see the clear visible difference, and I think that's the approach. When I decided that I want to pursue this course, I felt it was perfectly tailor-made for people like me. Why? Because there's so many times that especially women are actually entrenched in the middle level of management, and I was there struggling. And when I read the modules, I think it was just meant for me, and no other industry actually offered anything similar. And that's the reason I picked this up. How it helped me, I think after the program, when I applied it actually, and I had the courage to go and speak about it, I realized that it helped me, not just financially, professionally. I climbed up the ladder, and I think I was able to help my colleagues as well. So that was the biggest thing. Actually, there are many, but if I have to just take one, I think now sitting in that conference room with very few females around me, I think I need more people to accompany me, to have that chit chat, that gossip. I miss those. So if I really need to have that, we need to uplift more women. We need to tell them that if we really want to have women-friendly processes, then that means that we need to fix that ratio as well. So let's build that community, let's foster it together, and we together, once you do this course, probably it help you, and it will eventually build a chain where women leaders are there and the number is not that screwed. That's it. I think that's the biggest takeaway from me.